I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Santa Fe side mirror glass. This is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and of course, your new replacement mirror glass. Don't forget safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. Having everything ready makes the job much smoother. Now, let's tackle removing the damaged mirror glass. Begin by tilting the mirror all the way up or down to create a gap. Carefully insert your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver behind the glass. Gently pry the old glass away from the backing plate, releasing the clips that hold it in place. Once loose, you'll likely find one or two electrical wires connected to the back for heating or power. Carefully disconnect these wires before fully removing the old glass. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your brand new mirror. First, carefully reattach any electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the new mirror glass. Ensure these connections are secure. Next, align the new mirror glass with the mounting clips inside the mirror housing. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass, pushing it until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely seated. Avoid pushing on the edges. You're almost done. Now let's perform some final checks. If your mirror has power adjustments or heating elements, turn on your vehicle and test these functions to ensure everything works correctly. Adjust the mirror to your preferred viewing angle. Double-check that the new mirror glass is securely mounted and doesn't wobble. Finally, give your new mirror a good clean with a glass cleaner to ensure crystal clear visibility. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your side mirror glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.